This is an Indian runner duck farm. The farm has a total of 300 ducks, including 250 hens, and 50 drakes. Ducks of this breed are raised almost exclusively for their egg, and not their meat production. If you're interested in raising ducks, Indian runner ducks might be the best breed for you. They will need a duck house to sleep and lay their eggs in. It is recommended to have a duck house with about 4 to 6 square feet per duck. Outside the coop, there should be at least 10 to 25 square feet of space per bird. Mature hens weigh between 3 to 4.5 pounds, and drakes weigh 3.5 to 5 pounds. They stand erect like penguins, and rather than waddling, they run. Ducks rarely overeat, so it's safe to free feed them. Adult ducks need a layer feed that is between 15% to 19% protein. An adult duck is given 140 grams of feed per day. The hens start laying eggs as early as 4 months old, but they won't get into a routine until they're 6 to 7 months old. They lay 5 to 6 eggs per week, which ends up being 300 to 350 eggs per year. Indian runner duck eggs are large and a beautiful pastel green color. Indian runner duck hens rarely ever go broody. Hens lay consistently for about 4 to 5 years before the quantity, but not necessarily the quality, of the eggs diminish. The Indian runner duck cannot fly. The body is long, slim, but round in appearance. Indian runner ducks have tight feathering. The duck's legs are positioned quite further back on the body than all other duck breeds. The most common colors of Indian runner ducks include chocolate, black, white, blue, light brown, dark brown, and a brownish shade of green. There is usually little fat on an Indian runner duck. The flesh-to-bone ratio is high, and the meat is often deemed to be of a quality flavor. If you have the space, consider giving them a pond. Interestingly, Indian runner ducks do not need a pond. Unlike most other ducks, Indian runners do not need water to breed. 5 female ducks require 1 male duck. They will provide, for the bulk of their diet, if allowed, a spacious free-ranging area, and a pond. The favorite foraging foods for Indian runner ducks include slugs, mosquitoes, and their larvae, snails, grass, wild greens, small fish, and small crustaceans. However, in this farm the ducks are released into the water every morning, noon, and afternoon. It is kept in water for half an hour each time. These ducks live roughly 8 to 12 years on average when domestically kept. In the wild, Indian runner ducks typically survive only 2 years.